Hello friends, welcome to Bull Riders. This video is going to be about the trend movement, which is our benchmark index, and we'll be concentrating on the Nifty 50 movement. Uh, the Nifty trend for every trader, and in an every trading session, we should always have an eye on the Nifty. As we say, trend is your friend. So we should always have an eye out towards the Nifty. And there is another saying like, do not swim against the tide. So what the professional traders prefer is like to follow the trend. If the trend is uptrend, definitely it's on a buy sell side, and if we are towards the downtrend, uh, we are on the sell side. And in order to start the trading or one before the session begins, it's always uh, advisable or good to be ready or prepared by ourselves. In order to do that, we should know the trend or the Nifty movement, how the day is going to be about. And in order to do this, like we have to do a certain homework, which is like look at the global stock exchanges, and every stock exchanges is linked towards each other, like Nasdaq or DAX, NSE, and Singapore Nifty. Everything is dependent on each others. So primarily, before our stock market opens, it is always good to have a check on the global statistics, like what is happening around the globe. Keep your eyes open, look for the news which is making the headlines. Always, most of the people trade along with the news, what is open in the market. So in order to analyze the Nifty, uh, we use few sources to understand or collectively get the information which will help us to predict the Nifty movement. So let's start with like I'll show you like how I normally prefer to analyze the trend. uh, Before we start the session, like go to the Google and search for the global indexes. You have certain apps which is readily available on Play Store, uh, which you can install and keep it handy. So let's start with global market indices. You'll find it in Economic Times or Money Control. So this is how like we go to the portal, look for all the indices which says okay. So there is a heat building up. mm, like if you look at the Nasdaq, which is on a red, uh, so European market is also on red, Singapore Nifty is also red. So obviously we also closed on red. Okay, so once before our market starts, we primarily focus on the Nasdaq or the Singapore Nifty. uh, the ideal time would be morning 8:30. Once it is around 8:30, open your connections and see the status of Singapore Nifty, how it's going on trading. Once you get the heartbeat of the Singapore Nifty, definitely you will be able to see like how we are going to perform, or our index is going to perform. And similarly, like you have other good source of information from uh, like other websites, GeoJit, pre-market. Let me go to Google, the best search engine. Okay, here you go, pre-session, the pre-market analysis. So these people have a good analysis who look out for the global information and predict like how the market is going to perform today based on the analysis. And they have a good information, they share very good information on every daily basis on in the morning before our trading session starts. So you can see the status, the time they update. Thanks to GeoJet for such a good information, and what are the statistics that's happening across the globe, and how the market is performing, and what are the corporate results which are going to be announced, or what all the informations we have which is going to be an active for the day. They would be sharing it. This is a very nice portal, and they have a very good analysis which help us to predict the market. And similarly, there is another good website like Nifty Trend.in. So the a very good website where we get information about the Nifty. You'll have a lot of information, but what we would look for is the Nifty. This is about the Bank Nifty trend. Here you find the support and resistance, and there is another link like Nifty trend for today, Nifty futures and option chain. So this will help you, and these posts are created daily before market opens at around 8:45. So it is always advisable to visit this link at 8:50 and see the support and resistance which they give for the Nifty. And they have a major events information which is being collectively displayed on this. And if there is any stocks which comes into major events, you can definitely have a watch on that, and you can pick for the trading. A very good nice website, and thanks for niftytrend.in for such an information. And once the market is open, the things are live, and you are ready for the trade. So we have nsc.in in this. Connect to live watch and open the pre-open market. Here you see the advances and the declines at morning. The pre-market runs from 9 to 9:07. It's a 7 minutes trading session which get closed by 9:07 and mostly at 9:08. You see the advances and declines. This shows like there is a big rejection which is the decline is like 36, advances are 11. So by 9/7 you know like the Nifty trend is going to be on the sell side, which is an uptrend. This way you get the understanding that the market is going to be uh, on an downtrend. But things get changed on the live. Maybe like once the pre-market shows this, but in live market, all of a sudden some good news will come and will be changing the scenario. In that case, like it is very good to go to the live market and click on the advances and declines. Okay, and you see here the declines are 826, but the advances were 966. So in this, it shows like the market is moving towards the positive side, which is the uptrend. So it is very good to connect to this link by around 9:30 once the market is open between 9:30 to 10, and check for the advances and declines. It is always advisable that the difference between the advances and the declines should be of minimum around 150 to 200 for a safer side. If it is like 800 and 900 or 700 and 800, this is on a range bound, and it's not a clear one side Nifty movement. So if it is about 200 or 300, if for example advances are 1000 and declines are 700, then there is a strong signal of an uptrend, and you can definitely take or pick your shares and you can move towards buy side on a very good confidence. I'm sure by looking at these links and getting this information, this will help you to analyze the Nifty trend movement, and this will build your confidence to start your trading. Thanks for watching. Thank you.